this will be my 4th attempt at videoing this. For some reason, I just can't get it right, any of the angles or anything. This is what I made. It's not a spiral notebook. It is a post-bound book. And the cover is made out of these Michaels material packs of material and some chipboard. I put all my chipboard away. Posts. I ordered this off of Amazon for like $8. They are very sturdy. Well, it's all relative, I guess. It's Amazon. Home Depot. There you go. I think now you can see. It's still not a really great comparison, but maybe you can see that the quality on this first one is better than the Home Depot one. This is the felt that I used. It's the peel and stick felt. There you go. I think these were like $1 a piece, probably not even that. I'm terrible at remembering things like that. Okay, so chipboard. The black tape is actual bookbinding tape, yes. I am aware that I did not use it for its intended purpose, which is to bind a book. I used it to do a pretty frame. Someday I will be, my next book is going to be an actual proper book with sewn signatures and all of that. Why can't this thing ever focus? Is there ghosts in my room? There we go. Next time, this will be used the way God intended it. The paper, this pack of paper was ordered off of Amazon. It was like 20 pieces of paper for like $15 or something. It's pretty nice. I like it. And every few pages I use one of these sheet protectors. It's a pocket sheet protectors, obviously, because I will be putting things that I need protected in here. This parchment is that. So, 50 sheets. This was like 20 bucks or something. So all 50, well, most of the 50 sheets are in here, and there are different colors in that box. And then, yeah, there's no rhyme or reason to when I put pages where and how and all that. Like, there's like 20 pages here without a protector in between. And then this one is like 4 pages with a protector. So on and so forth. Also in here, I made my own space papers. Oh, I made 4, count them, 4 coffee stained papers, and it is hard to do, so that is all I did, because they rip easily, and I just hated the whole process. So you fancy folk who can paper stain stacks of paper, you're awesome. I just can't do it. I put in paper spacers. I don't know why. I saw it somewhere and then I decided to do it. I think it's because I'm going to be adding so much to the book. I wanted it to be artificially fat before a planned fat. And there's that. I don't know how many, because I also have regular copy paper in here, and so there are at least 70 papers in here. Plus, not to mention all of the paper protectors. I overcut this, and yeah. I had a lot of trouble with the holes because the paper punch will not punch these because it's too thick. So these things suck. I had to cut all of the holes with a regular pair of scissors. And that did not work out too well. So I also went out and bought one of these. So I don't know. But next time everything will be sewn together, so it won't matter. This is just a thing I did. Alright, now the construction of the book. Oh, the end of the book. This is the cover of LV Gold local magazine. I collect it every month. So I just threw this one in at the end because I don't know. I don't know the guy who took a picture. It's a local guy. We have a contest. Whoever wins the contest gets $200, and their picture is the cover of our monthly magazine. So whoever this dude is, it's under here. So like in the future, when somebody deconstructs my book, his name is folded under there, and then the LV Gold and the issue number is folded under here. And then I also have my name and date under here. I have not done, that's so nice. I have not done the front page obvi, but I believe the front inside thing is going to contain some of this shirt. Probably this. This is a shirt from my mom. I borrowed it from her dresser after she passed away. So I think this is going to be the inside, or it might be the outside cover of my next book. I want to make sure that this goes in a book that I will be keeping and using forever, because this is it's a limited edition shirt. So I have it cut up. I can also cut that in and put it in siblings' books or whoever. I don't know. These are separate from the book. Okay. If I can remember, I will link the video tutorial that I used for this. I have the tutorial. Yes, I do. I don't know the name of the lady that did it. It's not a channel I watch. It's just a tutorial I pulled up on YouTube. And she was making a scrapbook. No, I think it was a lady making a book of shadows. And she made the part that holds all of the pages separate from the actual book. And then she screwed hers in with actual screws. She screwed the two pieces together. But I threw it in there and clipped it together with a book. Not a book. Binder clips. Okay, so these. So that would look like that. One of those clips. If this stupid thing would focus. One of those clips. It's hard to see because it's black. So that's how it's bound together. There's that, and then there's one on the other end right there. And it is secure to death. Now, the middle of it might fall out. But I'll cross that bridge when I get to it. These, I did not know that these sheets come in different sizes. Like, these have been in my collection, these, for years. They came in a bag from a thrift store. So I've had those forever. And then when I ran out of those, I bought more. And I didn't know that they come in different sizes because I never used them in school or anything. And that's all about that. I love this book. What am I going to put in this book? Well, recipes. My recipes for things I make, like lemon chicken, whatever weird things I make. Things I like. I'm a Virgo, so I make lots of lists. Books I've read, movies I've watched, my favorite authors. Like Eric Henry Vick will be in here. Neil Shusterman. Neil Gaiman. Wait, did I say that right? I don't know. Gaiman. I don't know how to say his name. Things like that. It's a nice quiet morning in our neighborhood. It's always quiet, like nobody's ever outside, ever. I'm gonna have things like my superstitions and my ghost encounters, all my creepy thoughts and weird things. So yeah, it's just gonna be a book of me. And then as I find out more about relatives that have passed, I'll include stuff like that in the book. Well, that is my book. I will be making another one, but in the meantime, I will fill this with information. I don't know. I don't know. So I'm gonna go. I'm gonna start using it. I started trying to learn calligraphy, but my calligraphy pens won't work. so God doesn't want me writing in calligraphy in this book, so I won't. I'll just start. Okay, well, thank you for watching. Have a wonderful everything, and perhaps I will see you on another day. Bye.